In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to level up your taxation on the TFT or Teamfight Tactics game. So the first thing that you'd like to do, of course, is just go and open your Teamfight Tactics game in your PC already. If you have it downloaded. If you don't, you'll have to go and download it through the right client. And of course, if you don't even have the right client, just go and open whatever browser you're using. In my case here, I'm using Brave, and go to the URL section. Simply type download right client, download League of Legends, download TFT. All of those will take you to the same link, which will download the right client. And once it's downloaded, it will normally be open for you. If not, you'll have to go and open it manually. And once it's opened, of course, you'll find yourself on a home screen like this, or main screen like this. And my section, or in my games sections, you'll find the games that's already installed into your PC. If you want TFT, just go and open it up. If you don't, you'll have to scroll down into this all games, click at TFT, and at the bottom left corner, click at the three dots. If you want to download it now into your PC, you can do that in League of Legends. Of course, once you download League of Legends, TFT will be included. If you want to play it on your iPhone, you can download it in App Store. If you want to play it on your Android, you can download it in Google Play. Once you download it, just go and open it up, and when you do that, you'll be asked to log in into your account. So if you have an account, just go and log in into one. But if you don't, you'll have to go and create another account or a new account on the browser account. Just go and type create a Riot Games account, and that account will allow you to play all their games with one account, of course. Of course, once you logged in into your account, you'll find yourself on a client like this. Click at play option at the top left corner. Choose TFT. Choose the mode of or the game mode, of course. Accept or continue. Then, of course, you would like to find a match and accept. Once you do that, you'll find yourself in a game like that. And now, as we said, we would like to level up our taxation. So my taxation now is actually level 2. So how did I level it up? Of course, when you open the eggs on this client, when you level, when you go into this client, you'll find the loot option. As you can see now, I am in game, so I cannot show you, but you'll find the loot option. You're gonna find this at the top options here. Just hover it and you will see loot. And then you'll have to open eggs of CFC. Of course, if you get the same taxation twice, your taxation will be actually leveled up. And the top level is actually 3 stars. So there is the 1 star, 2 star, and 3 stars. If you get your taxation 3 times, it will be leveled up and you'll be good to go. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.